Ito ang latest chika. Dani Pangilinan diretsang tinanong kung rebound lang ba si Belle. Ito ang sabi ng aktor. Alam mo yan, being in love again, tapos doon pa sa unexpected person na dumating, si Belle. It's so damn worth it. And to make it clear, she's not my rebound. In fact, she's the reason why I'm willing to risk everything again.